Tanner here with Hoosier Roofing. Taking a look at this roof here. Got some damage to it. I don't know what the heck got trapped or did what in there, but I don't know about you, but this is how I take them off. Something hit that. That's one way to do it, huh? New vent, here we go. Also, don't know what the heck this is. Someone's doing something with this. That's a cozy collar, huh? These just glued down, huh, guys? Well, they say this is leaking. I don't know about you, but that's not how we install shit around here. My God.